People are getting sicker and sicker, and that says a lot about our lifestyle. We live in a toxic environment where our foods, air, and even water are contaminated by chemicals. This is undoubtedly the cause of serious diseases. Did you know that this toxicity overloads our livers? You probably barely remember that it exists, but the liver is one of the most complex organs of our body and deserves a lot of care. After all, it has more than 200 functions and works as a filter. One of its roles is eliminating anything toxic from our bodies. If the liver isn't doing well, nothing else in our body does. We have to learn how to choose our foods to give more energy to the liver and lessen its overload whenever we eat too much fat, alcohol, or toxic foods. Thinking about it, we made a list of 5 foods that are good for the liver. Let's check them out. Artichoke, widely used to treat digestive issues. This herb has properties that help digest fats and lower cholesterol levels in the blood, aiding in liver fat control. Lemon. Drinking lemon water while fasting is great for the liver and body. Have you watched the video where we talk about the benefits of this powerful combo? Click here to learn more. Lemon stimulates the release of digestive enzymes and eases the elimination of toxins, which cleanses the liver. It is also rich in vitamin C, important for glutathione synthesis. Turmeric or curcuma, sometimes called curcuma. Turmeric is one of the main ingredients of Ayurvedic medicine. It has many functions, including the treatment of liver inflammation. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Apple. This fruit helps release the toxins by the digestive tract, improving liver function and purifying the organ. Dandelion. One of the most powerful detox foods. Dandelion acts directly on the liver and pancreas. Incredible, right? And lastly, don't forget to drink water. There is nothing like water to detox the body. Get into the habit of drinking at least 67 ounces of water instead of sugary drinks like soda. Now that you know 5 more foods that help maintain a healthy liver, include them in your diet and share your experience with us. Oh, remember to go to sleep before 11 p.m. According to TCM, from 11 p.m. to 3 p.m., the gallbladder and liver work in the organic cleansing of tissues, processing cholesterol, and improving brain function. This period is where we reach the maximum capacity for blood detox and cleansing. It is important to be in your bed around 10 p.m. so your body can concentrate on eliminating toxins. When these functions aren't executed as they should be, the liver can't work correctly, which causes anxiety and stress. Add these foods and this small habit to your routine and watch how your whole body changes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.